Good morning, Huffed Heroes. My name is Austin. Today we are going to be going over what a hard start kit is and what the benefits are. A hard start kit is an accessory designed to assist the compressor in starting up more smoothly, especially when dealing with a struggling or older HVAC system. It indicates components like a start capacitor and a potential relay. When the AC unit turns on, the hard start kit provides an extra boost of power, helping it overcome initial resistance and reducing strain on the compressor. This results in smoother startups, reduced energy consumption, and potentially extended compressor life. Installing a hard start kit can improve overall system performance and reduce the risk of damage caused by excessive electrical demands during startup. If you have any other HVAC questions, leave a comment or give us a call. Thank you for watching.